Almost every biotech investor will tell you to go after the biggest disease possible. And we're doing exactly the opposite of that. And I'll tell you why, because what genetics is showing us is that most genetic disease is ultra rare. So take cancer. That's actually millions of different genetic variants. Or maybe you got an autism diagnosis. Well, oftentimes autism is caused by a genetic mutation, and that could be over 1,000 different mutations that could have caused that autism. So what we used to call big diseases are actually many, many small ones. We built Alpha Rose Rare Labs to be able to attack that process in a repeatable way and built AI systems around that to learn and get better and get faster and get cheaper at it. And we built Alpha Rose, a commercial engine, so that we could get these medicines quickly through the clinic and commercialize them globally. I think this idea of scale for these medicines is going to be the only way that we can truly attack disease at its root cause. We got to start with the kids that are suffering and dying here. But once we get a handle on that, this will expand into disease prevention. It'll expand into longevity, space travel, and ultimately into personalized medicine. So we'll be able to optimize our genetics to be the healthiest versions of ourselves. And so we can already do that in our lab. And I'm looking forward to building the business model that gives access to every human being to this kind of technology.